Miss Kleist's fourth grade class has had visitors from Chapel Hill High School, some students from Frau Meltzer's German class. The fourth graders learned some German vocabulary, numbers, colors, body parts. It was great fun to collaborate with and learn from the high schoolers. The fourth graders are very proud of what they've accomplished. More recently, Miss Kleist's class has learned a dance from Germany, a folk dance of fun and friendship, with lots of rather intricate moves. It will certainly make you feel like you're at a gathering full of good times, and I suppose we are. Here are Miss Kleist's fourth graders representing Deutschland with a German polka. Danke!